Hi everybody, welcome to the 2012-2013 Artifact and Black Diamond Hockey Box Break. Uh, First thing, it's 11:05 p.m. Monday, March 4th. 11:05 p.m. Monday, March 4th. So, like I said in my description, I will give away 2 bonus cards and 2 bonus packs for the teams that didn't got any inserts at all. So the first team who's not gonna have any inserts at all is gonna have that David Boot quad jersey, that Kevin Shattenkirk dual jersey from Artifact, and that Ben Ferrero Artifact Autofact. The second team who's not gonna have any inserts at all is gonna have that Nathan Horton quad jersey from Black Diamond, that Paul Stastny Treasure Swatch from Artifact, and that Spencer Makachek Artifact Autofact. And the two other teams who's not gonna have any inserts at all, it's gonna have that 2012 and 2013 Upper Deck Series 1 hockey. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the Artifact box, and then I'm gonna do another video for the Black Diamond. So the serial number for the Artifact is NE189553587, right there. And the serial number for the Black Diamond is 195063494. Right there. I'm gonna show the serial number for Black Diamond in the second video anyways, but I like to show it on the first two. So before beginning, I want to thank everybody for bidding on the box break. I'm gonna have some more this week and next week, so hope to see you again. We've got certified case break that happened this weekend. Very nice hits. Everybody got a hit. So I'm probably gonna have another case of certify this week or next week. So just keep looking on my eBay for my other box break that I'm gonna put on. So I'm not gonna make you wait too long. I'm gonna begin right now with that Artifact box. So good luck everybody, and hope to get some nice hits in these boxes. Empty. Alright, first pack. LA, Boston. We have a Team Canada, number 2999, Shea Weber. So it's going to the Nashville Predators. Decoy, and Colorado. LA Kings. We have a rookie, number 2999, of the Colorado Avalanche, Tyson Barrie. Decoy, Minnesota North Stars, Toronto. Philadelphia Flyers. We have a rookie redemption, and it's going to the Minnesota Wild. Decoy, Pittsburgh, and Detroit. Toronto. We got an artifact Autofax, and it's going to the LA Kings, Kyle Clifford. Decoy, Rangers, and the Boston Bruins. New Jersey Devils. We have an artifact triple jerseys, and it's going to the Philadelphia Flyers, Tundra Trios, Chris Pronger, Claude Giroux, and Ilya Bryzgalov. Nice hit for the Philadelphia Flyers. Decoy, Chicago. We have a tick card in here, so I'm gonna excuse me, keep it for last for the suspense. We have Boston. We have New York Rangers. We have an artifact blue, number 285, and it's from the Detroit Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk, number 285. Decoy, and Montreal Canadiens. Buffalo. We have an artifact dual jersey, number 225, Ryan Callahan, New York Rangers, dual jersey. Decoy, and the Dallas Stars. We have Philadelphia Flyers, Columbus Blue Jackets, Decoy, Boston, and LA Kings. Alright, last pack. LA Kings, Anaheim Ducks. We have a rookie, number 2/999, Shea Genoway, Minnesota Wild. Decoy, and we have the LA Kings. Alright, last pack with the tick card in it. Phoenix Coyotes. We have the Ottawa Senators. And we have a jersey patch. The patch has 3 colors, and it's an emerald, number 275. It's for the Dallas Stars, Ed Belfour. Nice hit for the Dallas Stars, Ed Belfour. Very nice hit. Nice patch. Washington and Pittsburgh. Alright, everybody. Thank you very much. And I'm coming right back with the Black Diamond box. Thank you.